Alright, so I got a new little gadget for the car today. Some of you might recognize this name. If not, look them up. Let's unbox this. Alright, so what we got here is the Vitesse Motorsports throttle controller. Again, if you don't know what that is, look it up. So we're going to take and install this in the Camaro and give it a try. Alright, so got the throttle controller installed. Took it out for a spin. Started out on SP0, which is supposed to be like normal throttle. Put it on SP5, which according to the internet is that wow mode. I'm almost speechless here. Just what they say. And then I turned it up to 9 and almost wants to bake the tires off the car at SP9. The throttle pops open so quick. That's gonna be fun, but I'm gonna have to watch, keep my foot out of it. So back down to SP5 for some daily driving, and we'll get back to you on it.